Hello, this is another video from MBS 3D Solutions. Here's a new product that we have developed. This is to help with the Fresh Air Inlet on the xTool laser. So basically I'm going to show you through the process, very simple but step by step, how to replace this. First you want to start out with taking your 4 screws out. This is also designed so it just uses the existing screws that you can just place on top of the xTool plate. So you don't need any other hardware to do this. But this helps so that you don't get all the dirt and crud inside your laser head. It keeps it so the air is free flowing through it and doesn't clog it up. So when you want to put this on here, you're going to see the xTool logo in the front. Just place this on the top. Take all of your screws. Just put them back in. Usually I'll screw them down until they're just about snug. When you get to that point, just move it a little bit over in place and then just slightly snug them down. They don't need to be on there that tight, just slightly, about like hand tight. Okay, once you get to that point, now it's on there nice, strong, and secure. If you have one of these, it's a hose that's used for a CPAP machine. Now the design is already made so that you can put this on this, but you're not limited to that. So you can run your hose outside of your machine so that you can get fresh air in there while your vacuum is drawing all the smoke out. Now if you have something different on sizes, we'll make an adapter for you. That's part of the sale. So if you just give the inner diameter of the hose that you want to adapt it to, just note that online when you purchase this, and we'll throw that in without any additional cost. You just place this on top of it, and you'll be able to put your adapter on it like so. Hopefully that helps somebody out. But it's very important to keep that fresh air going in, because you want to keep your tool head clean and clear of debris. By doing this, you will keep any type of debris getting inside of your machine. This way this can freely move around as you're using your machine. Thank you for tuning in.